Are you in need of combined multiple NSF archive file? Introducing SysTools NSF Merge Tool. Join and merge database files with multiple NSF files. SysTools NSF Merge Tool supports all NSF files of Lotus Notes, IBM Notes and HCL Notes. Key features of the software. NSF Merge Tool provides option to remove duplicate items across the NSF files. Software provides option to exclude deleted items. You can set custom display name for the Merge NSF. Merge all items in single node storage facility file. To download the software, go to Google and search SysTools NSF Merge Tool. Click on the link that appears in the search results. Then click on the download button. Now install and run the software. The first window will appear of the software. You can see two options to add data, add files and add folder. Click on any option as per your requirement. Select NSF files and click on OK. Now you can see your added files. If you have added unwanted file, then you can remove that file by clicking on Remove option. The software provides multiple options to combine NSF files such as join and merge. If you select join option, then there is one option available to filter, exclude deleted items only. When you select the merge option, then there are two options to filter. First is remove duplicates, and second is exclude deleted items. Now, select three-dot option to browse destination folder to save the combined NSF file. Select the folder and click on OK. At last, click on Merge NSF File button to start the process. When start the process, you can monitor the live status of combining NSF files. Once the process of merging completed, the NSF files have been merged successfully pops up. Click on OK. And you can see your process status. And that's it. Log on to the given product page for more detail in purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.